Today, we're going to talk about the hidden gem of the sea. It is believed that these animals were created by the sea god as a true treasure, and that they are messengers from the sea god to the people that lived on land. That's right, we are talking about this penguin right here. That's right, we are talking about this penguin, the fairy penguin. This stands 13 inches tall, the shortest penguin in the world. It only weighs 3 pounds, has a lifespan of 6 to 7 years in the wild, but in captivity and in conserved areas where there's lots of conservation happening, they can live up to 20 years. This thing is just a gorgeous penguin. They're found in New Zealand and southern Australia. They build nests on the coastal areas, nesting in the burrows and rock crevices and caves. They eat krill, fish, anchovies, and squid. They usually swim pretty close to shore when they go out, but they can dive deep, about 200 feet deep, to go fishing. They swallow those fish whole, and it goes right down the hatch while they are underwater. These guys are monogamous. They lay 2 eggs every breeding season, which is 1 time a year, and the male and female both take care of the eggs and the young when they are born. Now, the eggs are in the nest for about 8 to 9 weeks. They leave the nest at 8 to 9 weeks old, but they are incubated for 35 days. Sorry, switched up the picture here on you. Look how blue these guys are looking. They're just so beautiful. Again, jewels of the sea. They spend most of their day out at sea, and they come to the dirt and ground at night to rest, to relax, and to mate. They actually make calls that sound like a donkey. They're also called the braying penguin because they sound like a donkey's bray. They have this light blue appearance to them, this light blue-gray, and that's just the light reflecting on their feathers to create that beautiful color there. Conservation is not a super concerned at this time. Now, they are protected, but as far as like low numbers or anything like that, endangered, they're not really on that list right now. Their biggest threats are dogs, cats, and foxes, loss of habitats, pollution is always huge, and fishing nets. Now, each individual penguin has its own sound that it makes to its mate and chicks. So like this one can make a sound that none of the other ones can make, and that's its call. So as it comes up to shore right here, it may make a sound and make a call that's very unique to it, and then its mate and the chick will hear it and call back, and they will be able to locate each other. They can swim up to 15 miles in a day. When they molt, they lose all their feathers at one time, and they do not swim or eat for 2 weeks. Again, there are some indigenous people beliefs that they believe that these guys were created by the sea god as a treasure, and that they could see the living treasure, and that they were also messengers from the gods of the ocean to the people on land. And this, my friends, is once again the fairy penguin.